Hey, what's up, homie? How you doing? How you doing? What's going on? Do we have to give you a nice treat for that?
Oh, gee.
Wait, we need a treat for this, but Odie, can we ask you to do that one more time?
But is Odie a boy?
A boy.
So has Odie found somebody, a girl dog to say this to?
I wish. Maybe that's the problem.
I have to hear this again, right?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Now wait.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
You know what? I've been doing this show. This is my 15th year on the air. I want right here a nice face of Odie, because guess what, Odie, homie, buddy, I may have you in my show almost every day. Give it to me one more time.
I love you.
Done. We'll be back right after this. One.